the Sidama land and people created by Dembobanati here in the United Kingdom, and I am thinking about the Sidama people, about its land, about its nature, about its human value and culture, the way of life, and all surrounding the nation, entire nation's life. In particular, I am thinking about underutilized virgin resources of the country, which sadly underutilized because of the nations being under colonial power, Abyssinian colonial power to this date. Therefore, it's a very sad story. However, the land has got virgin resources that can't be exploited due to shortage of human power, scientific advancement, technological advancement, and the resources that the Western developed country take for granted. And we are working hard to achieve this for the future, and we work hard. Sidama shall be free in the near future.